Welcome to the video. My name's Steven. In this video, we're doing another snapshot automation sequence. I have this manual action task and this task no answer, and let me show you how we use this in real life. So this is how I'm able to book way more appointments every single day for my customer, how I can book 10 to 15 more appointments every single month just with those two automations. They're very, very powerful, and I kind of just stumbled along into it when I was messing around one time, but let me show you exactly how this works. So say we create a task, say this task is, and also in the nurture sequence, there's plenty of tasks as well. So if you watch the last video, you know that tasks get added when people don't respond, when they do respond, that sort of thing, right? Let's just add this task, call Steven, didn't answer text or whatever, or busy, maybe, send a call back next month. Now, the way we would set this up is we would assign, or we would have it due for whenever they wanted to give us a call. But let's just say that time has already passed and the task is due now, right? So I'm going to go over to my dashboard and I'll find this task and I'll mark the task complete. And once I mark that task complete, then I can go over to conversation and manual action and get prompted to give this person a call. And so what happens is we click let's start, and the dialer within Go High Level will begin calling that person. Right, so now I'm getting called by Go High Level, it's dialing, and let's say I don't answer the call, correct? Right, so when I click no answer, the customer, if I go look up the customer name, the customer, which this is myself, will get a text, hey, Steven, give me a call back when you can, just tried giving you a call, right? And that is basically the rundown of how this works. I've been able to book way more appointments like this. I will have a bunch of tasks ready to go, and I will click on 15, 20 of them, and then I will manually call every single one of those tasks, and every single one of them will get a text message if they don't respond, hey, give me a call back when you can, and I see serious response rates to that. I see serious response rates to the call, and I usually end up booking 2 or 3 appointments every single day just off of those 10 appointments, or off those 10 tasks that I have assigned. And so this has been very lucrative for myself and for my customers, and now I'm going to show you exactly how to build this. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and build this out. Right here I have 2 automations. This is a BS appointment confirmation automation that I will fix up if you're choosing to get the snapshot instead of just building it out yourself. But that was for the nurture sequence. If you're interested in seeing that video, it is on my channel now. I might put a tag at the top of the screen. I probably will forget, but I do have that on my page. Let's go ahead and create these workflows. Now there's 2 workflows we're going to be creating here. The first one is when you complete the task. So I always just call this one manual action task, and I have used this in multiple accounts for multiple clients, and it has worked out significantly. It has helped us book way more appointments than just than what we were just regularly booking, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you exactly how it's done. Manual action task, new trigger. The trigger is task completed. If I'm not mistaken, there are no filters on this. And then the next step is to add a manual action to call, and then after that I like to add a wait time for 30 minutes because I don't know if it takes people out of the manual action. I don't know, maybe that's not necessary, but I added it in there anyway. And that's the whole task. So basically whenever you click the task is completed, a manual action to call that client will be given. So that is the first automation, very simply done. And then the second automation, if you want this snapshot built out already for you so you don't have to build it yourself, click the link in my description. It will take you to this page where you just click get it for free, fill out your information, and you will get sent the snapshot as well as email updates every single time I update the snapshot. That way you have all the assets that I build on my YouTube channel. Let's get back to the video. This one's just a little bit more complicated, but I'm going to make it very simple and explain it as I go. So task is, the name of it is task no answer, and then our trigger is going to be call status. And that would be, the filter is call status busy, canceled, all of them except for no answer or completed. Now I usually just add, I usually just click no answer, but you can click any of them just as long as it's not completed. Now we have an SMS, and I'm going to just drag the SMS from my other screen over here. Hey contact, we just tried giving you a call. Give me a call back when you can. That is our SMS. Then we wait 24 hours, and that is a contact reply. So replies to SMS, timeout, 24 hours, and then we have a condition. So an if then, and that would be if the contact replied, true, or if they didn't reply, right? And now that is the whole portion there. So if they did reply, we have another if else, and that is, was the reply positive? Is positive. Okay, now if the reply was positive, we add another task to call that customer back. So call contact to and I'm gonna just copy what I have over here. Contact, or I have contact answered to task, or answered task. And then the description, call again with message body. So I'll show you exactly how all this works. Message body, assigned to, contact assigns user now. All right. And then up here, we have contact update field. This is required for my nurture sequence. If you do not have my nurture sequence, or you do not want my free snapshot that I'm giving away, it's in the description, then you wouldn't need to do this. But if you follow in my videos and you know what this is and you watch the last video, you understand that what we're doing in this situation is we're adding this customer to a long-term nurture sequence if they did not reply to our text, right? If they did not reply to our, hey, we gave you a call, and they didn't reply, we add them to our nurture sequence, right? If the intent type was negative, right, we add them to the nurture sequence as well. And this is the entire automation. So those are the two automations we just built out. Now, I have created another task to give them a call back, which means that if they don't answer that text message or that task as well, they'll get sent another text message. This allows you to have them repeat in a circle. If they're still answering, give them more reasons to talk to you, bring them back into the pipeline instead of just letting them go automatically. Either they don't answer your text or they stop responding. Those are the two ways that you can stop reaching out to a customer, or at least reaching out heavily, and just send them to a nurture sequence. But if that's not the case, then you should still keep involved with them. So if they send you a text message, you should still answer them back. And so that is this entire automation. We've just created both the automations, and that is it for the video. If that helped you out, go ahead and click the link in the description. You can get access to my free snapshot where I'm giving away all these automations, plus any snapshot that I'll be giving away in the future. Just go in, click the form, fill out the information, and you will get sent the snapshot to your email. I hope that helped you out. Bye.